Friends, I'm here to take you through the Excel errors. Let me say the errors that can occur when you're using this Microsoft Excel. So by definition, error Excels are issues that occur when using Microsoft Excel that prevent formulas, functions, or data from being processed or displayed correctly. So these errors can arise due to various reasons such as invalid cell references, incorrect data types, missing values, circular errors, and formula errors. Some common Excel errors include of which the one I'm going to take you through. So let me open my Microsoft Excel and we start be showing you as we go on I go on explaining it. So you come and open this blank one. So we start with the one for formula errors. Formula errors occurs when like you include an equal sign on the formula as if you're doing what? Let me say the function. It's only the function where you're supposed to start with what? An equal sign, but formula error occurs in a situation where you start with an equal sign. Then you first activate one cell, then you start with an equal sign. An equal sign. Then you put the word. Let me say A1. Then you are dividing it by 0. That is when you will get what? The error. Then you come on. So that is it for the formula error. So to prevent this error from occurring, you can use an if statement to check if the denominator is not 0 before performing the division. For example, if B2, let me say B2, I activate this B2. No, B2. If B2 equals to 0, then you're not supposed to divide it with this B2, so that to prevent that formula error from occurring. Any number that you're dividing with, you must make sure that it's not 0, so that you get the best out of it, or else you will see that error appearing. Then the second one, we have the data entry errors. So for example,